Hello.
How's it going?
Anyone having fun? I can't actually see anyone aside from like the first front row. Because we're like celebrities, so the lights are so bright that we don't need to see you anymore.
Yeah, okay, well, so...
Hey Casey.
Yeah?
I was actually thinking, we could add suspense with a drum roll or something.
That is
I'll just
a
go do it.
great idea. But Chris, that's a keyboard.
Wait, this is a piano, but I have a feeling it might have hidden drums.
There we go. Okay, well, Chris. Okay, well, Chris. Okay, Chris.
Oh, sorry, were you doing something? How about some awards now? Yeah! When you're ready.
Alright, so the best dressed male nominees are Andrew Hartstone, Tom O'Tennant, and Josh Stain.
Sorry,
We
that's my
need a
cue.
drum roll. The winner is Andrew Hartstone!
So, Andy.
Okay. Chris, we're going to need another drum roll, buddy.
Oh.
You know, get the suspense going. Alright, so the nominees for the best dressed female. Chris, I don't know if you realise, but I haven't actually said it yet.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, the nominees are Jess Joy, Sarah Cargill, and Kathy Wakefield. Wait for it, and the winner is Kathy Wakefield. Hey Chris, can I do the drum roll?
Okay, you do it this time. Now, this next one. Are we ready? Alright, blondest moment. And the nominees. Theo Warner. Now, does anyone know what his blonde moment is? Because I'm not sure what it is. Is there like a main one that someone wants to come explain? Yeah, Morty Ray.
Old people shouldn't be killed at birth.
Old people should be killed at birth. That is pretty good. I'd just like to say that doesn't reflect the attitude of the school.
Sure. Alright. And the next nominee we have is Christy Blackmore. Yeah. Alright. And the winner is...
Explain what it was.
Yeah, but I kind of need to say the winner first, really, don't I?
Okay, yeah.
Because, yeah. Okay. Well, the winner is Christy Blackmore. Do you guys want to know what it's for? Okay, well, one day? Yeah, we should probably get...
How about you tell the story from your point?
Okay.
I'm
Alright.
not ashamed anymore. I've overcome my shame, kind of. Well, it's kind of a long story, and I'm not the only one to blame, but anyway, getting right to it. Tess and I had to go somewhere together, and so we both decided that we'd meet at Middleton Mall, and I'd leave my car there, and we'd go in her car to where we were going, and then she'd take me back, and then, yeah, we'd go from Middleton. And I kind of... Okay, so we got to Middleton Mall, and we met there, and then she said, oh, Anna needs to get us to go to school and pick her up. So I just took my car there, and I was like, okay, sweet, we'll just go there. And so I left my car at school, and we went to the place. And then when we came back to Riccarton Mall, we were like, where's my car? And we completely forgot that I had left it at school. And so I texted all my contacts and was like, you guys, my car's been stolen. And I called the cops and told them to and I cancelled my credit card. Yeah, and it was a big drama. And then I got home and realised that I had left it at school. And everybody just wouldn't let me get off the hook for about a month. So, yeah.